Hello guys, my name is Paul, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you something very interesting. Before I continue, I'd like to introduce myself to you. My name is Paul and you're welcome to my YouTube channel, Paul's Hustle. On this channel I show you guys how you can start up your own online business, how to start up your own online business. Now on this YouTube channel I created it to teach young people like me the secrets of making money online in 2021. Now these ways include website development, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, Google advertisement, search engine optimization, and lots more. Now everything I'm going to be giving you on this channel is totally free. Just all you need to do is watch and practice everything you see on this channel. So these ways that I just showed you have been making me a lot of money in the past years, and I decided, okay, in 2021 I'm going to create a YouTube channel to start teaching young people like me what I do, so that they can also make the kind of money I also make, or even more than that. You can see I just joined YouTube January 9th, 2021. So I just newly created this channel to teach young people like me secrets of making money online in 2021. So all I need you to do on this YouTube channel is to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, drop a comment in the comment section, watch these videos, and practice everything you watch on this channel. Practice everything. It's going to help you. Now it's going to help. I'm serious what I'm saying is going to help you. There was once upon a time, even up to now and up to tomorrow, there's some YouTube channel that I don't joke with. There's some YouTube channel I don't joke with. I always go to this channel to make sure I watch their videos, to practice everything they watch, and also make the kind of money they are making. So up to tomorrow, I still visit this guy's channel just to make sure I learn what they are doing. So also same thing applies to you. Visit different kind of YouTube channel apart from my channel. Visit other channels, watch what they're doing, watch what I'm doing, practice everything you watch on any channel or any video you watch, so that you can also be successful in the online world just the same way I was successful. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you something very interesting, and the topic of today is how to create a blog website in 2021. You can see it here, how to create a blog website in 2021. This is one of the most lucrative businesses right now in 2021, blogging. Now people are making a lot of money from blogging. Let me quickly show you something about blogging and how much people are making from blogging. Okay, you can see something right here that I said I want to show you. This is Linda KG, and I just searched on Google how much does Linda KG make from her blog. Now Linda KG's efforts have really paid off. Okay, from Moneymakers 1 and 2 we can infer that Linda KG makes an average of $2,000, $2,175 every day. Every single day she makes this amount. This figure does not include brand endorsement and full paid takeovers. That reflects our modest estimates of our blog income within the last 12 months. Now this is just the amount Lina Ikeji makes from her blog. For people coming to read her stuff on her blog every day, this is the amount of money she's going to be making every day. Now there are a lot of ways you make money using your blog. There are a lot of ways you make money using your blog. Now the longer your blog has been existing, the more funds you're going to be getting, the more pay you're going to be getting. Let's say for example I started a blog website today. I can't compete with someone like Linda Ikeji due to the reasons of she's got more viewers than I just started today is going to be getting. Now how do people make money from blogging? How do people make money from blogging? Number one, people make money from blogging via advertisements. People make money from blogging via advertisement. Let's say for example I go over to Linda KG blog now, right now, and I tell her I want to advertise on your blog. She can charge me almost $500 to $1,000 just to advertise on her blog. But someone like me or you just starting a blog website today, and someone comes to meet me and say I want to advertise on your blog, I can't charge that amount because I'm just starting up. I don't have enough viewers yet. The amount of viewers you have determines the amount of money people are going to be paying to advertise on your blog. Now sometimes ago, if a particular governor wanted to run for an election, and what he simply did was call a meeting of bloggers. Different bloggers within the state came to him and said, okay, want to use your blog sites to be advertising or to push our election forward. So what we want to really do is just, you guys should be blogging about our success, what we have achieved in the last 4 years, and let people know that yes, we have really been working. Now what did they simply do? All the bloggers present submitted all their blog site names. They submitted their blog site names, and what they are simply going to do is they do run an investigation on those blogs to know if truly they have the traffic for people to view what they are doing. So if truly they have the traffic, if they truly they have, what's the traffic there? That is the audience, the people coming to your site to view what what you're doing. So they run a search or a test on that particular blog site, and if they have enough traffic, good and fine, they simply give them the job and pay them to push their work forward, guys, to show people their work. So what the blogging is all about is get the traffic and be ready to keep on posting, be ready to keep on uploading the latest posts, ready to keep be updated. Don't be like let's say stuff happening today, you have not yet uploaded it on your blog site, and what the latest update on your blog site will be something that happened like 2 days ago, 1 day ago. In fact, something that happened 1 hour ago should be uploaded on your blog site. So blogging is very simple. The site is very simple to create. You can create a blog site less than 1 hour, less than 1 hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour. You can create a blog site. But the main work of a blog is for you to be able to post or keep on uploading posts to that blog site, for you to be able to keep on uploading posts to that blog site, because you need to be current. You need to be current for people to come to your site and stay on your site. You need to be current. Any latest updates, you need to keep on uploading on your site. You need to keep on uploading on your site, because when you start when you're no longer current, people tend to drift away from your site to go to other sites where they can get latest updates, where they can get latest update. So I'm going to be showing you in today's video how to create a blog site. How do you start up this blog site so you can start making this money that these bloggers are making in 2021? So the first step in building your blog site, if you understand everything or you understood everything I just said, if you understood everything I just said, the first step in building your blog site is to buy a domain name. And I told you a domain name is the name of your website, the identity of your website. So to buy a domain name, you buy your domain names from registrars like namecheap.com. This is the site I always use in buying my domain names. You can buy from Namecheap, you can buy from GoDaddy, you can buy from Bluehost, you can buy from QServers, you can buy from different domains. But I'm not going to be going through that process in today's video. I already prepared a video on how to buy domain names. Let me quickly show you the video so you can just go over to my YouTube channel and okay, so this is the video right here. This is the video. You can see I uploaded this video 4 weeks ago, 79 views. So this is the particular video, developing your website using WordPress and Divi themes, part 1. So in this video, I showed you guys how to buy domain names from a particular site called namecheap.com. You can see domain registrars. These are the people who helps you to register your domain name and hosting plans. I listed everything here. I listed all the terms used in website development. Everything are all in this video. So if you want to watch the video to know more about domain names, more about domain registrars, how to buy your domain names, you can come over to this video, watch this video, and you're good to go. So after buying your domain names, in this video I also talked about what your hosting company is going to send to you, which is your Cpanel login details. So when you send you your Cpanel login details, you just go over to a new tab and go to your Cpanel. And to log into your Cpanel is simple, just your domain name slash Cpanel, your domain name slash Cpanel. This is how you log into your Cpanel, your domain name slash Cpanel. So with this, we're going to log in right now into our Cpanel. Okay, so while trying to log into my Cpanel, I just got this message which says your connection is not private. So when you see anything like this, don't close the tab or something. Don't close the tab and trying to type it in again. All you need to do is just click on this advanced right here. You click on this advanced, just scroll down and you click on proceed to Cpanel. Just click on this and it's going to take you to your Cpanel login area. So this is my Cpanel login area. How do I log in? To log in, I just fill in my username and my password, So with that, I can log in. Okay, so this is my Cpanel area. This is my Cpanel area. So when I get here, I'm going to set up everything I need. Number one, I'm going to set up my email account, which is my webmails, forwarders, and autoresponders if those are necessary. So you can also get that in my second video right here, how to set up your autoresponders and everything. You can get that in this particular video right here. So after doing that, next thing I'm going to do is to create a WordPress installation via Softaculous. So we are going to be building this site using WordPress and a theme called Soldad. So The first thing we're going to do is to install a WordPress installation. Remember, after buying your domain name and hosting plan, your hosting company is going to send you your Cpanel login details. So you log into your Cpanel, create your email account, forwarders and autoresponders. So the next thing you're going to do is to create a WordPress installation. So to do that, you just come over to the search bar right here and click on or search for Softaculous apps installer. So we're going to open this right now. You're going to open this right now so you can start installing your WordPress. Okay, so we have searched for Softaculous apps installer. So it's open for us right now to install WordPress on our site. So when you open this stuff right there, we're going to be seeing different softwares, but we're going to be using WordPress, because WordPress is number one, is a free source, which means it's not paid for, and number two, WordPress powers over 37% of the web. So WordPress is very powerful when building sites. So we're going to be using WordPress in developing this particular blog site. So start using WordPress. All you need to do is come over to the installation button right here, place your mouse on the WordPress, and it's going to pop up this installation option for you. Just click on install, so you can make a fresh installation for a new site. So when it opens up, you come over to this particular place right here where they say choose installation URL. Now if it's a new site, if it's a new website, if it's a new website, let's say you just bought your domain name and hosting plan, all you need to do is just put your mouse here and remove this WP, go down, fill in your password and username, and click on install. But this is already an existing site. It's already a WordPress installation on this particular site called portexsolutions.com.ng. So I'm going to be installing a WordPress in a directory called portexsolutions.com.ng slash, let's say, AP Media. This is the name of the blog I want to create in today's video, AP Media. Now we'll go down here and click on admin username and admin password. Click on admin username and admin password. So I'm going to remove this right here and fill in my own password. Fill in my own password. So just make sure it's up to 100. I don't have the time right now, so I'm just going to make that up to 100. So after doing all of that, remember, number one, I said if it's a new website, remove the stuff right here, just go down and click on installation. But a WordPress installation is already made on this particular site called portexsolutions.com.ng. So I'm going to be installing in a directory. You can see here in a directory. So I'm just going to go down, fill in my username and password, then go down right here and click on install. So it's going to start running our installation for us. You can see checking the submitted data completed. Now congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So what we're going to do right now is to open this link. This is the link to the back end of our site. You can see portexsolutions.com.ng slash apmedia slash wp to admin. If this was a new site, this won't be it. Just be.com.ng slash wp to admin. So we're installing this a directory. This is different from this particular site. So we're just going to open this in the new tab so we can start working on it. This is the back end of our site, and this is the front the link to the front end of our site. You can see dashboard is opened up for us already. We don't need to start logging in and everything because it's just a fresh installation. Maybe the next 1 hour tomorrow, or when you close this tab, you need to log in with maybe your password and your username. So when we are here now, what are we going to do? The first thing we're going to do is to install a theme. Now the first step after you are done with your WordPress installation is to install a theme. Now a theme gives you a layout of how your website is going to be. It gives you a plan, like this is how your website is going to be. If you go to the front end of our website now, you can see there's practically nothing right here. You can see it's just an empty page. We can work with this. So we need to install a theme on our site so that we can start developing on that particular theme. So the first thing we're going to do is to install a theme, like I earlier said, upload a theme and install. So to do that, come over to appearance and click on themes. So we're gonna wait for that to load. You can see manage themes. So when we get to this particular angle or this particular area, what we're simply going to do is to add a new theme. These are all demo content. We want to add a new theme on our site. So to do that, come over to the add new option right here. Click on add new. So you can add a new theme to your site or to your site. So after clicking on add new, the next thing we're going to do is to click on upload theme. So after clicking on upload theme, the next thing you're going to do is click on choose file, so you can bring out the file from your computer or your system and upload it on your site. So we're going to go to desktop. This particular theme is in desktop, so we'll just go down here I'll click on web design materials. Web design materials. Okay, this is not here right now. It's not here. So let me quickly look for this. Okay, so this is the particular stuff we're looking for, blog website. Now I saved this using blog website. I've got all the themes and plugins, and if you want to get them, you can just send me a message and I'll just show you how you can get them at affordable rate. These four things you're seeing here are worth over 500,000 naira, but you can get this as low as low as possible. So if you want to get them or you're looking for more information on how you can get these things without spending up to 500,000 to 700,000 naira, you can just send me a message and I'll show you how you can get these themes and plugins at a very cheap and affordable rate, less than 15 or 20,000 naira. So we're just going to click on this to open up so you can install the theme we want. So we're installing so this is the theme. You're just going to click on install now, so this particular theme can start installing into our site. You can see it's loading right here to show you that yes, it's installing. So we're going to wait for the installation process so we can continue with what we are doing. Okay, so you can see that this particular theme has been installed into our site successfully. So the next thing you're going to do is to activate this theme. Remember I said whatever you install you activate. So I've installed this theme successfully. Want to activate this theme so you can start working fine on our site. So you can see it has been activated. So the next thing you're going to do is to install the required themes as the required plugins that this theme needs to start functioning properly. You can see step one, install the required plugins. So to do that, just click on install plugins. Click on install plugins so we can start the installation process of all of these plugins. Okay, so this is the plugins installation area. So what we're going to do right here is to install and activate all of these plugins. You can see we have 12 plugins to install and activate. So to do that, you can see this option right here. There are two ways to do this. You can either click on one of them, install, activate that one, go to the next. But we're going to do a bulk installation right here. So to do that, you can see the first option right here, the first box right here. Just click on this and everything is going to click or open. So after doing that, come over to this drop down here and click on install, then click on apply, so that all these 12 plugins can install at once. So we're just going to wait for the installation process to go through. Okay, so you can see right now that all these plugins have been installed successfully. You can see Penti shortcodes installed successfully, Wordpress posts format UI installed successfully. So you can see that the 12 plugins have been installed successfully. So after installing these plugins, just scroll down here and click on return to required plugins installer, or return it back to the place we just came from. So all these plugins have been installed. The next thing you're going to do is to activate all of these plugins. You can see status installed but not activated, so we'll need to activate all of these 12 plugins. So to do that, just click on this checkbox right here, click on this drop down and click on activate. So after doing that, click on apply, so that these 12 plugins can activate at the same time. So okay, you can see right now that the following plugins were activated successfully. So all of the 12 plugins have been installed and activated successfully. So let's go to the front end of our website to see how it's going to look like right now, whether it's going to be fine and okay for us to start publishing or adding new posts to the site. Okay, you can see right now that how our website looks like is just looking as poor and as empty as it was before. So we're just going to make this look very good. Now, like when we are building a basic website, I told you that after installing your theme, your plugins and everything, the next thing you need to do is to install or pick up a theme you want to use from your themes library. So that's what we're going to do right now. So we've installed a theme on our website. We need to pick up a format or a theme want to be using, or layout want to be using for our site. So to do that, go over to the back end of your site, and you're going to go down and we're just going to click on customize. So this is a customize area right here. You're just going to click on customize under appearance. Customize is always under appearance. Okay, so sorry, just now we made a mistake. Instead of going to customize, you're supposed to go to import demo data. Import demo data, that's where you get all the themes layouts that you need in building your site. Customize is where you edit your colors, edit your image text, and edit everything on a customize. So we're going to go to import demo data. Click on import demo data so we can import a new layout on our site. So just go over here and click on import demo data so we can import a new layout on our site. Okay, so right now we are on import demo data. So we're going to choose a layout we want to use to develop our blog site. So you can start seeing different kinds of layout here. You can see ad agency, adventure blog, you can see animal news, you can see architecture, you can see different kinds of layouts. You can see art artist blog, art magazine, art baby. You can see different kinds of kinds of layouts right here. So I'm just gonna go down and look for the one I'm gonna fall in love with, so I can use it, in developing my blog site. I can use it in developing my blog site. So you can see different kinds of layouts right here. You can see different kinds of layouts right here, and most of them have the same kinds of layouts and have the same kinds of design. But this one I always like using, which is called movies. So I'm just gonna go down to select that particular layout and use in developing my site in this video. So I'm just going to look for it right now. So I can use it in developing my site. Okay, so this is the particular layout I want to use. Movie. Now there are some kind of layouts here that you can use. Maybe you want to have a video as your kind of not thumbnails or so. You can still select all those stuff. You can select any kind of layout you want to use. So when you look for a particular layout you want to use and you like it, all you simply do is just click on the importation button right here. They're going to ask you, are you sure you want to import this demo? If you want to import it, just click on OK, and this particular demo is going to start importing into your website. It's going to start importing to your website, so you can display on the front end of your website. You can see download the content file and it's importing content right now. You can use to start seeing that yes, this site is actually importing. So when it's done, it's going to show us that yes, I'm done importing, so you can start using me right now. Okay, so you can see that our importation has been successful. We have successfully installed all the demo data of this particular layout. So we're going to go to the front end of our website to see if what we actually did is kind of working on our site. So we're trying to reload our site now to see if it's actually going to show. So you can see that the particular theme or the layout we just installed is showing perfectly on our site. This is our site, so we're just going to start editing everything about this particular site. You can see all the the sliders. You can see everything moving very fine. You can see moving very fine. So when you upload latest news, these are where they're going to be displaying. You can see all the other posts that you're going to be uploading on your site, how everything is going to be looking like. So we're going to edit all of these are all demo content. These are all demo content, so we need to edit all of this and all these categories. So you have to do that to go back to the back end of your website to start editing all of that. You can see that building a website is very easy. A blog website is very easy, but the major work is for you to start uploading. You can see a demo content, how much content or how much posts are on this particular site. So what we're going to do is delete all of this, so start editing all of this to start uploading our own posts. So that's the next step for we're going to be doing right now. Okay, so to start editing all of this, all I need to do is just go back to the back end of my website. Before I continue anything, the first thing I'm going to do is to install a particular plugin called Classic Editor. That's what I'm going to use to edit all of my all my posts and everything. Every website you are designing, you need to have that particular plugin installed on that site. So what we're going to do is go to plugins and click on add a new plugin. Click on add a new plugin so you can install the particular plugin called Classic Editor. We don't need to upload this plugin, it comes with WordPress. So you're just going to plugins and install this plugin. You can see it right here, Classic Editor. So we're just going to click on install. After installing, activate that particular plugin. So we're just going to wait for this to install so we can start activating this plugin. Okay, you can see that this plugin has been installed successfully, so we're just going to activate it so it can become functional on our website. It can be functional on our website. Okay, so Classic Editor has been installed on our site. The next thing we're going to do is to start editing all of these posts. But the first thing I want to do is to delete all of these categories. Now, when I'm building a blog website for a client, now all I do is just when I install a new theme, when I install a theme, I just copy this link like this, send it to the client and say I'm done with your site. I send the client the backlink and the password and username to log in to the backend of their site. Now The reason is this: these are all demo content, but if I delete any of these things from this site and I send just an empty site to the client just like that, it's going to feel like I've not done anything, because when I'm done with deleting everything, these are the only things that are going to be showing. All of these, the logo, these images and everything, they are not going to be shown on the site. So when you're building a blog website for a client, just after installing the themes and the plugins and everything, just copy the link like this, send it over to the client with the login details, so he can do what he wants to do by himself. For some people, what they do is they edit all of these posts and try to fill in their own post. But for me, what I do is I scrap out everything, I delete everything and start all over by myself. So the first thing I'm going to do is to delete all of these categories. I don't need them, they are just kind of wasted. So I'm going to do that. Go back to the back end of your site. Then after doing that, go back to appearance and go to menus. Go to appearance and go to menus, so you can delete those particular categories. Okay, so this is the first, the first category. So I'm just going to delete this category away from our site. You can see how long it is and see how this category is so long. So just go over here and click on delete menu. So they're going to ask if truly you want to delete this menu permanently, you want to delete it. So just click on OK, and this menu is going to be deleted from your website. It's going to be deleted from your website. So another menu is going to come up again. You can see it. So just also come down here, click on delete menu, click on OK. So this menu is also going to be deleted from your site. It's going to be deleted from your site. So is there any other menu again? Okay, all the menus have been deleted from our site. So let's go back to the front end and refresh to see if those menus are still here. Okay, so you can see now that all the menus have been deleted. You can see there's no menu again. They are asking you to create or select a menu. So what we're going to do right now is to go back to where we start uploading our post. You can see posts. This is where we're going to be uploading all the content on our website. Now, for a normal website, maybe you're building a website for a brand or a business, you are going to be uploading all your content using pages. But for a blog, we're going to be using post. So you come over to post and click on all posts. You click on all posts to see all the different posts that are on your website. So you can see we have 25 posts on our website. You can see here 25 posts on our website, and these are all the posts. Now, what some people do is that they try to edit all of these posts to fit what they want to do, or they carry their own content. But instead of wasting my time editing all these posts, what I simply do is I delete each and everything. I start uploading my own posts. So to do that, I just click on this particular option here to delete everything. Click on bulk options and click on move to trash. So after doing that, I click on apply. So everything here is going to be deleted from this. Okay, so 20 posts have been moved to trash. I still have 21 or about 5 to trash. So what you're going to do is click here, click on bulk actions, click on move to trash, and click on apply, so everything can move to trash now. Okay, so now there's no post on our site. So I'm just going to add new post to this site. So to add a new post, all you need to do is come over to add new right here. Come over to add new. But first of all, I want to go over to categories to add a new category. Okay, so these are the different categories we already have on our site. These are the different categories. We have movie reviews, we have news, we have new release, photos, uncategorized, videos, and themes. So I don't need all of these categories. I'm also going to delete each of these. Click on delete and click on apply. I want to create a new category and start working with my own category, start working with my own post, and start working with my own everything. So there's no category on this site right now. So I'm going to add new categories to this site. The first category I want to add is music. I want to be blogging on music. Start adding what you want to start blogging on. First of all, I want to blog on music. I want to blog on music. So after typing in music, I just come down here and click on add new category. Click on add new category. So this category has been added to our our list of categories. You can see music. I want to be blogging on news, latest news updates. I want to be blogging on news or politics. Everything is news. Music news, politics news. Later I want to be blogging on politics. I want to be blogging on politics. So I'll go down here and also click on add new category. So we're going to be very fast with this. Click on add new category. So let me quickly add in some more Okay, so you can see the different categories I've quickly added on this particular or on my site, you can see I've added a category called fashion. I want to be blogging on fashion. I want to be blogging on celebrities news. I want to be blogging on education. I want to be blogging on politics. I want to be blogging on music. So these are the things I will be blogging on. Let's say I want to also be blogging on football updates for people who love soccer. So I'm blogging on football also. So after doing that, I just come down here and click on add new category. Click on add new category. So you're going to do it step by step, and you're going to have a beautiful blog site. So also be blogging on football, fashion, celebrities, education, politics, music, etc. So these are the things I just want to be blogging on. So after doing this, I'm just going to go over to appearance again and click on menus. Go over to appearance and click on menus. So let me quickly open this in a new tab so we can work on this right now. Okay, so this is our menus area. This is our menus area. This is where you can create all your categories and everything. So first thing we're going to do is to create a new menu, and everything we added, all the categories you just added on our categories you added on our site, on our post, we're just going to add them here so they can start displaying at the top right here of our site. So we're going to go over here and create a new menu, give it a name, main menu. After doing that, click on create menu. Click on create menu so we can create this menu and start adding new stuff to okay, so right now we have created this menu. We have created this menu called the main menu. What we're going to do is to start adding categories or start adding stuff to this menu so it can start displaying right here. You can see nothing is displaying right here, so we need to start adding new categories so it can start displaying on our menu. So what we're going to do is come over to categories right here. Don't go over to post, don't go over to custom links, just come over to categories. So click on categories so you can open up the categories area. So when you click on categories, come over to view all, then start adding what you want to add to your menu. So want to add celebrities, want to add education, want to add fashion, want to add football, want to add music, want to add politics, don't want to add uncategorized. So this is not, we're not going to add this stuff. So just going to add 1 2 3 4 5 6. So after doing that, just click on add to menu, and all of these things are going to be added to your primary menu. You can see it's added to your primary menu. You can also add this to your footer menu. Where is your footer menu? Your footer menu is, this particular area right here. So we're just going to add all of this to your menu so you can move anyone to where you want it to be. Maybe you want education first, you want fashion second, you want football next, you want music next, and you want politics next. You can just move all of these to where you want them to be. So after doing that, you just come over here and click on save menu. Come over here and click on save menu. So when you do that, all of these are going to be up, showing on the top or your primary menu of your site. So you have saved this menu to your menu bar. So come over here and click on refresh. Click on refresh to refresh this site. So you can see everything is showing: education, fashion, football, politics, music, and celebrities news. So everything is showing. You can see how beautiful our menu area is right now. No too much stuff and everything on our menu. So what we're going to focus on right now is how to start adding posts to our site. How to start adding posts to our site. Now, this is very simple, just is kind of tedious or kind of hectic. Now, like I said earlier, you need to be current with your posts. You need to keep on uploading posts, keep on giving your viewers or your audience more things to be looking on. But to upload posts on your site is very easy. It's very easy and simple. You might not be there when the stuffs are happening. So what you do to make your work very easier for you is just simply go over to popular websites. Go over to popular blog sites. You can go over to Linda Ikeji. You can go over to Linda Ikeji blog. Linda Ikeji. Okay, Linda Ikeji blog. You can go over to Linda Ikeji blog. You can go over to channels. Channels is known for news updates. You can go over to Channels TV. You can go over to Punch. These are popular blog sites we have in Nigeria. Punch newspaper. You can go over to Punch newspaper. You can go over to Vanguard. You can go over to Vanguard also. Vanguard News. You can go over to Vanguard News. So these are different popular blog sites we have right now in Nigeria. So instead of trying to write up your own stuff, you will not be able to get the ideas. You will not be able to get the ideas you need. So all you need to do is go over to this top website that you know that these guys, they are popular around Nigeria. If you go to a particular site where you can search for the rankings, these guys rank very, very high. So just go over to their website so you can start picking up their stuff and using them to do your own, your own blog news. So just go over. This is the website of Vanguard. This is the website of Vanguard. This is also the website of, of Punch. You can see the website of Punch. You can see the website of channels. You can see Breaking Nigerian News, and this is also the website of Linda KG. So we're just going to open up all of their websites. Let me close all of these tabs so we can start working on how to build how to build our posts and our websites, our blog websites. Okay. Okay, so right now we're going to start uploading posts to our blog site. So this is the front end of our blog site, like I showed you earlier, and this is the back end. You can see all the categories here: education, football, fashion, politics, music, and celebrity. So let's say these are the top categories we're going to be using right now on this blog. So you can see we're going to be copying posts from the KD blog. I told you earlier that when you're blogging, you don't necessarily need to start coming up with your own content, because you may not be at the exact location where the thing is happening. So to get your own facts and your own content, so you can easily go over to people's blog, copy their stuff. Either you choose to rewrite it, or you can just make some adjustments and upload it up to your own blog, and make the post visible on your blog. So like I said earlier, blogging is something you need to be consistent with. Every minute when a new information comes out, when a new update comes out, you need to upload that particular stuff to your blog. You need to upload it to your blog, and just know that blogging is not something you start making money from immediately, except maybe you're able to get the required traffic for you to start doing that. You can see the Linda KG blog. You can see something here saying Linda KG blog is apparently our biggest venture after graduation. KG started blogging in 2006. 2006, she became an active blogger in 2007 using a blogger subdomain lindaKG.blogspot.com. So you can see that she has been in this industry for a very long time, since 2006. That's over 10 to 12 years. That's over almost 15 years or 16 years now. So that's a very long time. So you can not rank that particular blog site with someone who just started his blog site like a month or a year ago. There's going to be a lot of difference. So blogging is something you need to be consistent with. You need to keep on uploading. Just keep on doing what you're doing, and one day it's going to pay off for you. The major point is keep on uploading and make sure you get a lot of traffic to visit your blog. So like I said, I'm going to be showing you how you can start uploading posts to your blog site. Okay, so you can see a post here, you can see another post here. If when you just place your mouse on this and click it open, it's going to load up and you see the details of this. Okay, so you can see the full details of this postman arranged for 2 million naira fraud in Enugu. So these are this is a new post. You can see this was shared 9:58 p.m. on 8th of March 2021, and today is just 8th of March 2021. So this post was shared about 5 minutes ago or so. So you can see at exactly 9:58 p.m. she's still uploading on her blog site. If a new update comes up at 10 p.m., she's going to get information and upload again to her blog site. So you can see the consistency in this business. You can see the consistency in what she's doing. So I'm going to be showing you how you can start uploading posts to your blog site. So you can see an area called post here on your back end of your website. Now post is used for managing posts. This way you come to add a new post, delete post, and everything about posting on your blog site. So you come over to post and go to add new, come over to post and go to add new, so you can add up a new post. Remember, we deleted all the posts on our website, so we can start fresh. You can see our website is just empty, so we're just going to add a new post to our website. So you can see add a new post. They're going to ask you for the title. Now your title is the tagline, or the tagline of that particular post you want to upload, the heading of the post. Like you can see here, man arranged for 2 million naira fraud in Enugu. So this is the title of this particular post. This is the title of this post. So we can just come over here and add a title saying, okay, man arrange 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 okay, for 2 million naira fraud in go. Okay, so let's say this is the title of this particular post. This is the title of this post. So we're just gonna do everything we want to do to make sure that this post is seen on our blog site. So we have imputed the title. So we're just going to go down here. This is the text area. This is the text area. This is where you do everything about your text. Now you come over here so you can start filling in your text. So the first thing we're going to do is to come over to the blog site here to get more information about this. Now you can see the Economic Financial Crimes Commission. So I don't really need to read all of this, except maybe you're starting up your own blog site, so you can read it to get more information about this before you upload, so you know if actually what they wrote here is in line with what they said earlier. So I'm just going to copy all of this, come over to my blog site here, paste this here. So I'm just going to paste this here right now, and you can see it's already on my site. You can see everything about this particular blog post is right here. So after doing that, I'm just going to come over here and save this image. So I can save this image very easily as I'm gonna save this image so I can upload it onto my own site. Okay, so I can save this image as Linda. Just use anything to save it. You can save this as Linda and click on save right here. Come over to my own site so I can upload the image on my site, and you can see an option saying add media. So once I click up on add media, they're going to ask me, do I want to upload a file or I want to choose from my media library? I want to upload a new file. So I'm just going to click on select files so I can select the particular file I want to upload. So I'm just going to look for that particular image and upload it onto my own site. So I can search this here saying Linda EKG. Okay, so I'm just going to open this right here. Okay, this is the picture right here. So I'm just going to upload it to the site so it can be visible on the site. So we're just going to wait for this to upload. We're going to wait for okay, so this has been uploaded successfully. Just scroll down here. Click on add media and insert into a new post. Insert into a post. So you can see that this image is going to be inserted into this post right now. Okay, just hold on a bit and you're gonna see. Okay, yeah, so this is the image link. Images come with link. Images works with link. Now an image does not just appear, it's gonna appear in links. So if we reload this page and go to the front end of our website, it's going to be showing up in link, but on the back end you can see this because it has to be in a link. So I can just copy this link. I don't want it to be below, just copy it correctly. If you copy it and make a mistake, it's not going to appear. So I can just place the link here and place it here. Just scroll down here and say, okay, I want to bold all my text. Okay, so I can just come over here and click on B to bold everything. So I don't want the image to also be here. I can just delete all of this off. Okay, so just delete all of this off, and after I'm done with everything I want to do, I can come over here and click on publish. But before I do that, I need to add this to a category. So it needs to be categorized. So we're just going to wait for this to load up so we can categorize this particular post. So now you can see it's on uncategorized. What category do you want to put it? I want to put it on, let's say, celebrities. Is it celebrities you want to place it, or you want to place it on education, fashion, football, music, or politics? So I can just place it on celebrities and click on updates. Okay, so when anyone goes to the celebrities option, this particular post is going to be found under that particular category. Okay, so you can see we have successfully added this to a category. We have added this to a category called celebrities. We have imputed our post and image and everything. So the next thing I want us to do is to set up a featured image. Now, if you come over to the Linda EKG's blog, you can see that each of our posts have an image on the post. You can see this post has an image, this post has an image. Each post here have their own image, so our post also needs to have an image. You can see that this is the post we uploaded just now on our blog, and there's no image for this post. It's not going to look beautiful. So to do that, just come over to the back end of your website and just scroll down, and you can see somebody say featured image. So you click on set featured image so that you can upload a new image. So you can just click on this and set this as our featured image. So it's going to set up as our featured image, and you can see click the image to edit or update. So after you're doing that, everything you do, you need to update. So when you're done with doing anything at the back end of your website, you update so you can save up the changes. So I'm just going to come here and click on update. Click on update so we can update this particular post. Okay, so after updating, go over to the back end, your front end of your website, and refresh to see everything you have done. So anything you do on the back end of your website, you need to go over to the front end and refresh so you can see the post is working just perfectly. So you can just click on this so you can open up, you can see everything about this particular post. I'm going to add up to 5 posts so you can see how this actually works. You can see the image we added earlier, you can see the image, you can see our text, and everything is working just fine according to how we did it. And you can see it's under the celebrities category. When we click on celebrities, this particular post is going to be found under the celebrities category. So you can see this right here. You can see recent posts and everything working just fine. So I'm just going to upload more posts so you can see how it's going to look like. So if you want to upload a new post, just click on add new. You know how to do this already. Just click on add new. Going to come over here so you can take up a new post. Okay, so you can just click here on read more. Okay, so this is the the title of this particular post. Just copy this, go over to the back end of my website, add a new title, paste this here. Okay, so this is where we're going to place our text. So you can just come over here and copy all of this. When you're doing yours, you can just edit and change one of the things if you want to, but if you don't want to, you can just still leave it like that. So I'm just going to paste this here, copy. Okay, copy the image, save the image so I can upload this as my featured image. Save this so I can upload this as my featured image, and I can say terrorists, terror, and click on save. So I'm just gonna come over here. We are adding the new post. Come down here so we can set up our featured image. Okay, set featured image, click on upload files. We don't have this file on our website earlier, so just select a new file, so we can upload this particular file to our website. So just go down here, you can see the image right here. We're just going to upload this so it can be visible on our site. So set featured image. We're going to add this to a category. We can add this to politics. I like bolding my text. So okay, so I'm just going to bold all of this. Right now. Bold all of these, and all of these. Okay, so just click on bold. Then after I'm done with everything I'm doing, I just click on publish. Okay, so this has been successfully published. Just go over to the front end and refresh this site. Okay, you can just come over here. You can see we have 2 posts right now on our site. You can see this we just added, and this. So we'll go over to politics. We're going to be seeing this under the politics category. So you can see it right here before your own eyes. So this is how you upload posts to the blog site. So let me just quickly add up 5 more posts and refresh the site so you can see how it's going to look like. Okay, so you can see right now I have added more posts to this particular website, and you can see we have up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 7 posts now or so on our website. So you can see how beautiful our website now looks like instead of the normal empty page website that we were having before. You can see how beautiful this website look, and we can even visit the Linda Cage's blog. You can see that even our own website right now, because of the kind of layout we use, it's kind of look more beautiful than the Linda Cage's blog. You can see our website is looking spacious, wider and beautiful, and the Linda Cage's blog. Let's look at how this is gonna look like right now. Okay, you can see her blog. You can see, and if someone is asking you to choose between these 2 blogs, which one looks more beautiful, I think I'm going to go with this because this is more spacious and much more beautiful. So this is how you upload posts to your blog site and everything. So the next thing I'm going to be showing you is how you can change your logo. So how do you change your logo? Now this is the demo content that came. It's also part of the demo content that came with this particular site. So to change your logo, you go over to the back end of your website and you go over to appearance and go to appearance. Okay, and go to Okay, so like I said, go over to appearance and click on customize. So right now we're on the customizing area. So to customize everything about your site, I've visited this particular page before and showed you everything about this. So to customize your site and everything about your site, you can just come over to the customizing area. So we want to change this logo and fixing a new logo. So to do that, come over to logo and header options. Come over to logo and header options, and you're going to see the logo you were using earlier. So you can easily remove this logo. You can remove this and select a new image to fixing a new logo. So let's fix in a new logo for our blog site. Let's fix in a new logo for our blog site. So you're just going to go to upload files and click on select files. Click on select. Okay, so this is the logo we're going to be using, AP Media. This is the logo I designed for this particular blog site. So just going to upload this to this blog so we can start up. So you click on choose file and click on publish. Click on publish. Okay, so when you're done with doing that, you can go over to the front of your website and refresh. You can refresh the front end of your website. Okay, so this is the front of our website and we can see our logo right here, AP Media. Now I want to blend the logo color and the header color so that everything can be black. So when I want to do that, just go over to the back end, click on logo and header, and just go down here so we can change the color. And go down here and change the color. Okay, so do that, you can just do all of that from the back end of your website. So this is our website. We have changed our logo, we have changed the text and everything. So this is how your website is supposed to be looking like. So we're going to work on this particular place where they say about us. So it's either you delete it off or you just edit all of this so you can stop carrying demo content. So do that, just go over to the back end of your website. Go over to the back end of your website. You can go to appearance. Go to appearance. Just gonna go to appearance. Okay, appearance. I'm gonna go to widgets. Appearance and go to widgets. So we're just gonna go to this particular option which says widgets. And when you come to widgets, you can see everything on widget area. So you can just look for the about us option right here. You can look for about us here and edit everything you want to edit about the about us. Okay, so I'm just looking for this right now. I'm looking for this right now. About us, about us, about us, about us, and I can't really find this here. Can't really find this here. So if you want to do this, just search for this, and you're gonna see the place gonna write about us, so you can edit everything you want to edit about that from the widget area. You can edit what you want to edit from the widget area. So after doing that, those are one of the little things I just want to show you here. So this is just the last thing, editing your your footer. So to do all of this, you can do all of that from the widget the customizing area, upload your post, change your logo and everything you want to do. So the next thing I also want to show you is how to change the tagline. I've showed you guys how to do this before in my other videos. So to do this, you just come over to settings and come over to reading. Come over to settings and come over to reading. Okay, so you come over to settings and go over to general settings. So for the site title, you can just write AP Media. For the site title, you can write AP Media, and for the tagline, you can write something like best and accurate news platform in Nigeria. So when you're done with that, you can just come over here and click on save changes. Wait for this to load up so you can see your changes. When you're done, go over to the front end of your website and refresh. Go over to the front of your website and refresh, so you can see our tagline is showing properly right now, and also with the subtitle. So this is everything about your blog and how you can run a blog site. Okay, so this is everything you need to know about building your blog site, building a perfect blog site. So if you can continue this process, I bet you in the next 6 months you're going to be making a lot of money from your blog. If it's a little as 10,000 naira, you can get a lot of people who are willing to advertise on your blog, especially if your blog has a lot of traffic. And for you to do that, you need to have an optimize your website and make sure your website, which is your blog site, has a lot of traffic. What's the traffic? The people or the audience visiting this particular blog site. So this way I'm going to drop the curtain today on building or having a blog site in 2021. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment in the comment section saying thanks for the upload. I really gained a lot. Or just say something nice. Say just say hashtag how to make build a blog website in 2021. Just drop a nice comment. It's going to make this video rank very high. And also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if maybe you want to have more access to my teachings, you want to have more access to what I do, you want to have complete videos on everything I do, you need all the themes and plugins used in building this website, and also you want to have a book, like an ebook. I've developed an ebook on everything I do on this channel. I developed an ebook which you can just go over to and read from time to time. So if you want to get all of that, you can just come over to this particular website, portechsolutions.com.ng/web space development. So once you come over to this website, this link is going to be in the description. Once you come over to this website, you can easily purchase my course right now and get access to themes and plugins worth over 500,000 naira, and also trainings on everything I do and ebooks on what I do on this YouTube channel. So this course is just going for only 4,999 naira, formerly 45,000 naira. So if you need it, you can just come over to this particular website, read more about this offer I'm giving to you. You can make your purchase or send me a message on WhatsApp on 08073701250. So thank you very much for watching.